how to find your Wi-Fi password on a Windows 10 computer. This tutorial shows you how to locate your saved Wi-Fi password directly from your PC. First, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on Network and Internet. At this point, click on the Wi-Fi you're connected to. At this stage, check the box that says Show to reveal your saved Wi-Fi password. From there, your Wi-Fi password will now be visible in the Network Security Key field. Once done, note down the password or take a screenshot for future reference. You may also follow the same process for other networks that are connected to your device. Finally, once you have your password, make sure to store it somewhere safe so you can easily access it whenever needed. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.